up, people? Welcome to Unwrapped with me, your girl, Hellen. Today I'm chatting with an artist who has been in the industry for quite a while. She's a lady who's very Afrocentric, I must say. Yes, and she's representing Zambia so well. She's currently nominated for the Horror Awards, and yeah, we need to support her so that she gets nominated. She gets that award. I'm talking about Wezi, and we'll get to know more about her on the other side. Welcome back. I mentioned earlier that I'll be chatting with Wezi. How are you?
I'm very fine, thank you. How are you?
Horror Award. Tell us about that.
Yay! Have you seen the name?
Yeah.
AKA
That's huge.
What? Just being on that list, being recognized from the continent with such things. I mean, no other Zambian has been represented in 2017.
Yeah.
And for me to be the one, I feel like I'm the under 20.
And we are at the Lusaka Royal Casino.
It's my favorite chill spot.
Really?
Lusaka Royal Casino.
Well, just tell me what's been happening in your life so far.
I am writing
Yeah.
a lot of new songs. I am currently different studios, working with different producers, Dice, Copper Bell, Charlie Bravo as well. I'm looking to see if I can collaborate with him on a writing also perspective. I'm looking forward to working with Critic and the usual friends of mine and a bombshell here and there.
Okay, let's not talk about much about it. Just tell us the young dollar girl. You were born in Dollar, right?
Yes. I was born and raised in Dola, 1992 to be specific, on the 25th of May. So I'm an African Freedom Day baby.
Oh.
That is when I was born.
Oh.
Dola Central Hospital, yes. I grew up in Dola, went to primary school in Dola, only came to Lusaka when I qualified to go to the University of Zambia.
Wow. The first time I saw you perform, you were opening for Sahara.
Yes.
That's the first time she came to Zambia, right?
Yes.
You sang a song about Amui.
Yes.
You said you dedicated that song to your late grandmother. Yeah, just tell me about your relationship with your grandma.
Yes, my grandmother was my oriented, because my mother had me when I was really young. So I grew up with my grandmother because my dad died when I was 5 years old. And then it was that situation where Bana, Basala, and then they spread out. So my older sister and I and my younger sister were not raised in the same home. I was raised by my uncle, my mother's elder brother, and then my uncle was a busy man, but my grandmother was always at home. So she really taught me stories about our family history. She made me understand who I am and who she was and who my mother is. So I bonded with my mother even in her absence, really. And when I spent all my life with her, so when she died, I felt like I was deprived. She was stolen from me, to be honest.
Okay, but there's something that you sang in that Ambuya song.
Yeah.
That you said those are the words, the last words that your grandmother.
Oh yeah, she said, umoyo ni mkwatu, nimvushishe manawe, kumbuka olanda wanyo, chalo china meno, ulesi ni msamilo obaba, siku zuyaluna. Those things say that the world can chew you up and swallow you. You need to be very careful. Umoyo ni mkwaju means life, the secrets of life lies in the ears. Speak less and listen more. And then once one want to pachinso, the true feelings of a human being are on your face. You can say I'm fine, but if you're hurting, you can tell. So you need to pay particular attention. There's something that we call a broken smile. There are people who fake smiles, but you need to be very conscious of what you say to another human being. And the last one was saying, when you are feeling lazy, you start leaning on diseases and feeling well. I'm not feeling well, so I won't go for work. You fake a report, a sick report. That is laziness, and laziness is a comfort. It's a harmful platform to rest your head.
Okay.
So she said a lot.
Wise words. Do you use them?
Yeah, I am currently. I want to not boast, but I'll just say that I feel like I'm one of the most hardworking female artists.
Yeah.
And it's not because of anything else, but the orientation that I go for.
When you came back from now, Dola, and to come to Sunday, were you staying with your mom?
No. Even then, you know how it is to be an orphan. I went to my mother's older sister's house, and then I went to my mother's elder sister's daughter, firstborn daughter.
Okay.
My sister, Dr. Inamba. I lived with her until I started living on my own. So it was just like.
So that's a chance you had now to physically bond with your mom.
Yes.
How was it?
Right now, I'm currently living with my mother. I took her from where she was living, and I felt like it would be a blessing for me, for my mother not to spend money on herself, but for me to spend on her.
Yeah.
Because, I mean, she sacrificed so much for me. Even for me to be raised by my uncle, it was because of my mother, you know? Only God knows what conversations they had, what fights they had over me. My uncle didn't do it because he just picked a girl from the streets. He did it because of his sister. So it's I don't know what my mother took.
How easy is it to bond with your mom? How close are you?
We are very close. My mother literally recommended my lip ring. We are girls, like we are friends.
Yeah.
She is the most not judgmental person. She gets along with Bombshell. She gets along with J Ross. This is a human being that has understood that she gave birth to an artist. For instance, if I have feelings and say, Mom, I've developed this fondness for this guy, she'll be the first person that I'll have to talk to.
Wow, nice. I need to sip a drink for that. Okay, wait. We're going to take a break, but on this break, I want you to pick your video. Pick a video. Okay.
Oh yeah, I will pick my latest video, Tiwepo. Yeah, shot by Jamil Barga.
Nice. All right, let's check out Wezi with Tiwepo.
Nibani akukuja, nibani akuvalika nsapato kumendo, nibani akupa mutenge wa ng'anda ulala pani auso alikuni mwana wa mama Tiwepo, 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 osalila, osalila, Tiwepo, Tiwepo, kosa limba shansha, kosa sebenzesha shansha, ntawi yako yufika nilelo, ntawi yako yufika, ntawi yako yufika, Tiwepo, 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 mwana wa mama, Tiwepo,
Welcome back to Unwrapped, and that was Wezi with Tiwepo. We've seen a lot of familiar faces. We've seen Clear Eyes Queen Makitu. Can you just tell us what the song was talking about?
Like I said, my father died when I was 5, so I did a song about him, but celebrating fathers in general, dead or alive. A lot of people talk about mama, but and I did a song called Mama Knows Best.
Yeah.
And I thought that in this the person that I've become, I wouldn't have been this person even without the little input that the father was given by God.
Nice. Okay, Wezi, I think you are one person of late who has been making headlines on social media. Yeah, I've seen you respond. It's a lot of things going on. But I'll start with this. Are you dating? Wezi?
No, I'm not.
Did you date Mubayashi?
No, never.
Clarify.
For the layman to understand, you can call it a publicity stunt. But for artistic people like us who say we embodied a role to carry out an execution, to execute an artistic delivery for lovers called Umungo. The thieves that stole from each other, that was the concept of the whole thing. So we scripted it to a point where it became so believable and people became emotionally attached to the couple. There are people who are a fan of us as a duo and not a fan of us separated. Yes. And that was what we were aiming for people to become really, you know, instead of believing in hate, we wanted people to believe in love. That was the whole purpose of everything. And we are very proud that we executed it to the very end, which was just like a very disastrous end.
Okay, just tell me, were you dating at the time you guys put up the
When we started, even before the stunt, I was with someone else.
What?
Before the stunt, during the stunt,
your man understood the whole stunt.
they were friends and good friends with me, but
Wow.
like I introduced them to each other and then they became acquaintances and they talked.
I must say your relationship brought a lot of talk, like to a point where I know there's some guy started sending you very wrong text messages,
Yes.
very disturbing messages
Yes.
about you two, and I remember asking you if you were okay, and you said I'm fine. How are you feeling at that moment? Because if somebody say you guys were dating, I don't think anyone has the right to say that, whether you are dating for real or not.
Yes.
To be told what you were told, you're angry, Wezi, I don't like your couple, you guys are discussing. I think that was just wrong. But how
Yes.
did you feel? How are you feeling at that moment?
Knowing in the back of my head that it was just a stunt, I was okay with it. So I was reacting from a point of view where other people do exist in that form, where they are a couple that people are judging. So when I was standing up for our stunt, I was standing up for the people in real life that are called an ugly couple. There is no such thing. Like, how do you choose a spouse for your person and say, because most of it no people. Otherwise, one of our was and that's exactly what he said. So when I responded to him, I felt like he was worth being responded to because I made an example out of him so that other people can learn from that, from his experience.
But how has it been because of late? Because actually I thought the story died out.
Yes.
Like then it just suddenly came back home and we were seeing bloggers writing about you and the third person.
Yes.
There was the third person involved, the producer that we all know.
Yeah.
Carol. Everyone is talking about Wezi and Carol. Wezi is cheating on now. Please make me understand.
Yes.
What's going on?
So the bloggers, like you have mentioned, the bloggers have written so many stories about me, about Mumba, about Kekero. And I feel like it's a personal vendetta because these people have got a life behind the computer and they have their own preferences. So like I said, if you don't like Wezi because she's dark or because she's got a deep husky voice, you prefer someone with a higher pitched voice, you will say bad things about them to decampaign them.
But are you dating Kekero?
No, I'm not.
Wow.
Which is very sad, to be very honest, because even if I was supposed to, how can you have a relationship with someone because of this?
Yeah.
You know? But then the goodness is that.
Yeah. Okay. Now, what's the right to the ending? Because I saw Mbayachi posting to say, it's time for us to move on. Me and Wezi have this and this. And why did you decide to say, okay, let's stop this publicity stunt?
What made us decide was because it was eating through our personal lives. Like our professional lives are good. Helen, I won't lie to you, we are much more popular because of this negative, energy that we're getting from the bloggers. They talk about us so much, they don't understand how they push our names forward. Where we get bookings and we get called on such platforms. It is an honor to be on ZNBC and for you to just call me. I don't take such things for granted, to be very honest with you. I don't take them for granted. But these bloggers are the reason why I'm here. They're pushing me forward. I'm able to say, vote for me for the 4 hours on ZNBC. That's our national broadcaster. It's because of these bloggers that are pushing me forward. But it is eating through my personal life. My mother is affected about these things that they're calling their...
By the way, how is she feeling about it?
My mother has not commented, but she commented on my status when I said I'm only human. Do not tear me down. African culture is not American culture. When you see paparazzi and you see tabloids writing stuff about celebrities, that is not our culture. African culture is about enhancing and upholding our cultural values. And number one moral is respect. We have to respect ourselves and respect another person. And two, if you do not see the source as me or Mumba, do not believe what the bloggers say. Because if I am dating Kekero, I shouldn't be ashamed of it, because Kekere is not a monkey, he's a human being. So if I'm supposed to be proud and say, I am dating Kekere. So if you don't get it from me, then it's probably a lie. I don't have to be insulted for it. And that's what I was saying. And my mother commented and said, my daughter, you're stronger than this, and whatever. So when I saw that, it really put me to a position where I understand that the people in my circle do understand, but the people that matter to me even outside, they need to get it from me. And that's why it's very necessary for me to comment publicly about this thing.
Hey, nice, thank you. I think we'll take another break, then we can continue chatting afterwards, eh?
Sure.
Alright, so this is your girl Helen chatting with Wezi on Unwrapped, and we just take a short commercial break and then come back. Welcome back. I'm still watching Unwrapped with me, your girl Helen, and I'm still chatting with Wezi Heart Sound.
I said it right.
Wezi Heart Sound. Yeah, and I don't know if I've ever seen that in any of your. I just see it on social media.
Yeah.
What's the Heart Sound about?
Heart Sound is my band.
Oh, okay.
The instrumentalist, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm just like the lead vocalist, and I want to carry the name forward.
Okay.
That's what it is.
Nice. Okay, so Wezi, after all these rumors following you, and now you're sitting.
Oh my God, and I am so happy. I'm supposed to clear this whole pregnancy rumor. They said that I'm 6 months pregnant. Do I look pregnant to you? Helen, please tell me. 6 months especially.
Just a little.
With my Zambian.
Okay, Wezi, why did you feel obliged to say I need to respond to these people? Because when you're in the public eye, I think you expect to be known. At some point, did you ever regret pulling out this publicity stunt with Mbayachi because of the way it just popped out?
No. Regrets? No. I've never regretted anything. It is art. And not every song. You know, there are songs that I've done, like Ambuya. Do you know that there are people who don't like that song? They'll be like, I think you're too young to sing that song.
Yeah.
There are people who just don't like. And Anjaira, there are people who are calling, saying, no, the dead person shouldn't have been there. No, I think the girls, people criticize.
Do you think that at some point this damaged your career, could have gotten in the way of your career?
No, because of the way we both handled it. And there's no, I think it's very impossible, practically impossible. All we need is for us to even come on. There are 3 of us. You see the chemistry. We did a song together, me, Kekero, and Mumba.
Oh, really?
Produced by Kekero,
Yeah.
sung by me and Mumba, written by me and Mumba, together. You see us on Unwrapped. What are you going to say? You are claiming, the bloggers are claiming that Kekero and Mumba hate each other, blah, blah, blah. When you see us together, what are you going to say?
Yeah.
So how is it going to damage my career? Because it's not true. And unless it was true, it was going to damage my career, because there will be all lot of the evidence. You know, there was going to be too much evidence. I'm like so apologetic, but then there's nothing to apologize for. I can't apologize for the artistry, and I'm so proud of myself, because people should know that we are working, we are pushing the envelope. Zambia is worth it for us to produce such art, publicity stunts, whatever. Lemonade is one of the most successful publicity stunts ever.
Yeah.
2 Grammys this year. That album. 2.
Okay.
Yeah. So they are always worth it. I'm not even regretting, not for 1 second.
Nice. Well, okay, I think most people didn't see you as a person who's going to make headlines, and then this just happened. Everyone is just talking about Wezi on social media. Everything was about Wezi this, Wezi that, Wezi that. Anyway, what do you do for fun?
I'm a friendly person. I have a lot of friends, but few people that I in my circle. And honestly speaking, this place is like one of my favorite places to be at. The management for Lusaka Royal Casino is I'm good friends with, like, I'm friends with them behind the scenes, where we just like, we visit each other's homes, talk about, we visited the Fountain of Hope orphanage together.
Yeah.
We are practically family members. So I write, apart from doing artistic things for fun, I do this.
Okay, are you texting someone who you think you'll be dating soon?
No,
Do you think you'll be dating anytime soon?
no.
Why?
I feel like I need to do my first album and I don't need distractions. You know how love is
It'll be like your
intense
first album.
for
Oh,
girls.
the other time was
It was an EP. Oh, hi.
Yeah.
Yes. So my first album, I really need to put in my all, and I feel like love is a beautiful distraction, and I cannot afford it at any form of distraction right now.
What if somebody comes, a real charmer?
I'll tell them to sit down and wait for me. But I hope they don't come, really.
You hope they come after the album is out.
Yes,
When is your
I just-
album out?
Hopefully before October.
Any collaborations so far?
I have worked with Kekero in the studio.
Yes, my mulam.
Can you imagine? I worked with him on a song that he wrote. It's called Nikukonda. It's supposed to drop this month. He wrote it a few years back. It's got a history of its own, where he gave it to another artist, and then there was a bit of miscommunication, so he had to withdraw. And then it was a good song, so he didn't want it to die like that. So he was like, "Can you please sing this song?" And I was like, "Yeah, I'll be honored to." It's a very good song, and it was co-produced by the legendary James Sakala.
Okay.
And then I'm hoping to shoot the video sometime this week or next week with Jamiel, the guy who shot Tiwebo. So that is the song that I'm supposed to be, because I can't be quiet after Nigeria. And before you can't release a song that is lukewarm after Nigeria. It's supposed to be like strong or in a different lane, to be honest. So apart from that, I've got singles. Vatis from Inzi as well is someone that I'm looking forward to working with. We get along as friends, but I feel like we are both creative, and our creativity to put together, we can make an explosion.
You featured on a number of rappers' songs.
Yes.
You've done a song with Cleo, you've done a song with
Bombshell,
Bombshell.
Rosa.
Yes. Are you featuring any rapper?
I've done a song called Tender with J-Rox on Ohio, and he's the only rapper that I've ever worked with on my own song.
And then on this album, are you planning on working on any?
I really don't even know if I'm going to have any guest artists.
Okay,
I feel like it should be very inclusive.
Is this? Are you trying to make? Because even from the titles, you mentioned your grandma, your mother, your nephew. Is it something that you want to be into? You want something intimate, something about you and.
Yes, because in the beginning when I do songs like Ambuya, Tiwepo, Tishitenji, people think that I was really personal, and I want to show people that there's more depth to me than what they've seen already. Because if you think what I've been doing has been deep, like Nyimboza, Jackson called me once, was like, I cried when I saw that, and I am a man, but I shed real tears. And I was like, oh my God. Some people think that this is how deep I can go. But I promise you that there's so much depth in me.
Yeah.
Like the God that created oceans also created me, and I'm an ocean of my own type.
Nice. So looking forward to that album. You said it's coming out when again?
Hopefully before October.
When are the Cora Awards?
The Cora Awards, they are yet to communicate via email about the dates, but right now the voting lines are going online, strictly online, no other platforms.
Oh, but
yes.
Not people can't vote here.
No, the voting has started right now.
Oh, just mention how people. Just look into the camera and just tell people how they can vote for you.
So hello guys, my name is Wezi. If you want to vote for me for the Cora Awards, simply go to the official Cora Awards pages on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter with their posts of me with my face on, with other artists, and type Wezi, that's all. And share with your friends, tag them so they can vote as well. That's as simple as that.
Yeah,
and it's a 2-syllable word, Wezi. W-E-Z-I.
Yes, guys, I really
Do it for that.
Yes, we need to support her. Imagine having a Cora Award coming to Zambia. We had who won the Cora Award? Michael Zulu.
Peterson was nominated last year, but Zambia, what happened?
We are not voting, I think.
Yeah.
We need to vote more, and hopefully Wezi can bring the award home. But Wezi, give me another video that we can play, not yours.
Not mine.
Yeah.
I have been crazy about Into You by Roberto. I feel like Roberto has been doing so much good in the world right now. So Into You is my current favorite song right now.
All right, people, let's check out Roberto with Into You.
It could have been a one-night stand, but you came and took me over. See, baby, man made the train and cars, yeah. See, baby, what if Jehovah made you for me? I wanna know ya, I wanna call ya, every day non-stop. I'm ready for ya. I can be the one you see just when you close your eyes. 'Cause you're the one I'm planning to believing for. Oh, I'm into you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm into you, you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Oh you, oh you, oh you. I'm into you. It's a Friday, jing, jing, jing. My name is Roberto. See, I don't know how to swim, but I chose to dive in your heart. I swear I don't know how to swim, but I chose to dive in your heart. Yeah. I'm giving you all of me, from A to Z, yeah. We can light up our lives. Oh, I wanna know ya, I wanna call ya every day non-stop. Oh, like a nickel and give the child a chance. I can be the one you see just when you close your eyes. 'Cause you're the one I'm planning to believing for. Oh, I'm into you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm into you, you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Oh you, oh you, oh you. I'm into you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. I'm into you, you. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. I'm into you. Oh you, oh you, oh you. I'm into you. You can never know one night stand.
Welcome back, and still watching Unwrapped. That was Roberto with Into You. That video wasn't even shot in Zambia, you know that, right?
Where was he shot?
I think it's Kenya.
He is so hardworking. Please give me Roberto's hardworkingness.
Aren't you the same? You are so addicted to work.
I am, but he inspires me. Like whenever you want to become comfortable, look at Roberto and be like, he's got Amarula. That's an African, it's a global hit.
Yeah.
But he waves like he hasn't got anything.
Yes.
It's like, how, Roberto?
That's what happened. It's what Chevy says, amnesia. You had the explanation about the...
Oh my God, Chevy's album is one of my favorite albums right now. Ujawamuna.
Yeah.
So how about to the Tumbukas? Hallelujah. From the Koba Belt. Hallelujah.
Yeah. Okay, we're coming towards the end of the program. And yeah, did you enjoy yourself?
Of course.
And you stole my drink.
No.
Don't even. How does someone pour a drink from another person's cup? Why did you buy another one? Unakulira mgeto zone.
I am the gator.
Okay, Wezi, I've had a nice time with you, and I hope I can have you again.
Please.
Make more scandals.
No more
Good ones.
scandals. No, yeah, no more scandals. You are such a bad friend.
Okay, I want you to say some last words to your fans and just someone you would want to inspire.
Yeah, just something very far away. Forget about the Mumayati Kekero story. It's a lie. That is one thing. Two, life is too short. Do not live life pleasing people. Please God. Please work hard. Become greater than anything else. Before Usain Bolt was the fastest human being alive, there was no one before him. He had no reason to say, let me be faster than someone else. So be your own competition. That's the last thing I can say too. I love you all. God is great. One Zambia, one nation.
Thank you so much, Wezi. Okay, so this has been your girl Hellen on Unwrapped. I hope you guys enjoyed the interview. I've enjoyed the interview. I've learned something from Wezi, and I hope you have as well. I always say this almost every time on the show. We learn something from every person. Let's not see them from afar. Let's get close and get to learn from them. Even the person that you look at and say this is useless, you never know what you can learn from them. So I really hope we've learned something. So like our page on Facebook, Unwrapped with Hellen, and follow links. Watch our other episodes on YouTube. And this episode will be on YouTube. You can watch it as many times as you wish. So for now, me, your girl Hellen, and Wezi, it's bye bye.
See you next time.